Dear viewers, have a good day. Please subscribe our channel to motivate us. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and share this video. Today's video will shock you. Bureaucracy takes the lead in all the royal matters. But unfortunately, bureaucracy is also included among those who harm Pakistan. Here, officers are seen working for the benefit of the caste, and for the sake of their beneficiaries, they push the country's wealth. If we want to make Pakistan a progressive country, then we will have to change direction. I.e., bureaucracy has sunk into the quagmire of corruption to a great extent. All over the world, bureaucracy is given vital importance for the country's progress and prosperity. The reason for this is that the government throughout the country is run through them. They are made the top minds of the country, and after passing through rigorous testing and scrutiny, they are selected. If these top minds work diligently for the progress of the country, then there is no doubt that the dear country will soon be brought under control and the people will start looking happy. Our theory is that the officers in Pakistan work for the caste system rather than for the imperial Pakistan, as a result of which, if we take stock of the management structure, it becomes clear that in reality the real management of the country is in the hands of the bureaucracy. There is a separate department for each arrangements for all the needs of the state, including electricity, water, health, security. In the hands of top officials of the bureaucracy, minister is appointed as the public representative for these departments. They also make laws for their own interests and also give important unanimity. Secondly, the truth is that our politicians are not comfortable with this type of behavior. They generally do not have knowledge of administrative work, nor do they have knowledge of command. The bureaucracy can impose them as they please. They follow this path. If the minister gives any order which is not acceptable to the bureaucracy, they have denied to legally. Its method works. After objecting to this order, it is sent back to the minister's table, and it is made clear that this is not legally possible. A few days ago, a report was presented in the Supreme Court, in which approximately 22,000 employees of bureaucracy have dual nationality. More than 22,000 of these officers posted on important positions have taken nationality of America, Canada, England, and Australia. According to the list presented in the Supreme Court, there were 22,380 incidents of offenses under dual nationality. Of these, 1,100 belong only to the police and bureaucracy, and out of these, 540 are Canadian, 240 are from United Kingdom, around 190 are also from America. Among the dozens of government employees taken citizenship of countries like Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, and Ireland. Out of 110 government officers, important position holder, 6 of them are MP1 scale, 21 grade 40, 20 grade officers are 90. Officers of grade 19 are 160, officers of grade 18 are 220, grade 17 are 160 officers taken dual nationality. This list is not over yet. 20 officers from Interior Division, 44 from Aviation Division, Establishment Division 64, Petroleum Division 96, Commerce Division 10, Income Tax Division 26 officers taken dual nationality. Most of the officers involving dual nationality are related to the Department of Education. Their number is more than 140. From PA, more than 80 officers, from local governments 55 officers, supplies and healthcare 55 persons, National Banks 30 officers, Science and Technology 60 officers, from Agriculture Department 40 persons, SCCP Securities Exchange Commission 20, Irrigation 30, Sway Northern Gas 30, PMS 17, Pakistan Administrative Service 14 officers, from NADRA 15 employees are dual nationality holder. To get nationality of any country, an oath is taken that we work for the benefit of the country. It has already been told in this video that in our country, top officials are seen working for personal interest. Keep it aside and think supporting any political party is not a crime, but we should include Pakistan's point of view and integrity in our utmost priority. Think a lot, not a little.